Hello students, welcome back. Now let us see a relationship between semi-major axis, that is length A, semi-minor axis B and distance of any of the foci from center, that is C. इन तीनों distances का आपस में क्या relation है, that we'll see. ठीक है. So here just see the figure. This is the semi-major axis, either OP or OR in this figure. OQ or OS is the semi minor axis. This OF1 or OF2 is the distance between any of the two foci from center. So what is the relation between this OF2, OQ and OP? ठीक है, यानी A, OP की लेंथ कितनी है A, OQ is B and OF2 or OF1 is C. So what is the relation between these three? ठीक है. So here we'll compile the definition of ellipse, that is condition which we have seen to define the ellipse, और बाकी इन सब में क्या relation है. So here by definition of ellipse we know that the distance of any point on the ellipse from sum of distance of any point on the ellipse from two foci always remains constant. Here suppose we are taking the point P, then distance of P from F1 and F2, that is Pf1 plus Pf2 will be same as Qf1 plus Qf2. This will be the basic criteria to find the relationship between A, B and C. ठीक है. So just see here in the given figure, in the given ellipse, we consider the semi-major axis. OP equal to A, semi-minor axis OQ equal to B, and distance of any of the two foci that is OF1 or OF2 both is equal to C. ठीक है. So now since we know that by definition, since we know that distance of any point, sum of distance of any point from two foci always remains same, that means Pf1, we know that by definition of ellipse, that is Pf1 प्लस Pf2 इक्वल टू क्या होगा Qf1 प्लस Qf2. ठीक है. लेट अस कंसीडर दिस वन एज इक्वेशन 1. दिस रिलेशन को हमने इक्वेशन 1 ले लिया. नाउ Pf1, जस्ट सी, सिंस Pf1 विल बी इक्वल टू P से F1 की डिस्टेंस, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू F1O प्लस OP. This will be equal to F1O plus OP. Now F1O, F1 से O की डिस्टेंस किसके इक्वल है, that is equal to C, and O से P की डिस्टेंस OP is equal to A. So this will be equal to C plus A, and PF2, just see from the figure, figure को देखो. So this PF2 distance will be equal to OP minus OF2. So this will be equal to OP minus OF2. Now again OP is equal to A minus OF2 is equal to C. So from these two, OF1 plus PF1 plus PF2, what will be its value? This sum will be hence PF1 plus PF2 will be equal to C plus A प्लस ए माइनस सी, ये कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 2a, यानी लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ दिस पार्ट इज इक्वल टू 2a. So let us consider this one as equation or relation 2. Now what will be the QF1? Since QF1, just see the figure, QF1 is hypotenuse of this right triangle F1OQ. So QF1 will be equal to OF1 plus OQ, OF1 whole square plus OQ whole square and square root of this. So now QF1 will be equal to square root of OF1 plus OQ. Now OF1 is equal to C square plus that is equal to B square, or this can be written as B square plus C square. Similarly, OF2 is also B square plus C square, and QF2 is also equal to OF2 whole square plus OQ whole square. Now here OQ का स्क्वायर दोनों में ऊपर नीचे. Now this is also C square plus B square under root or B square plus C square, square root of this. So now hence QF1 plus QF2 equal to under root B square plus C square plus again under root B square plus C square. This is equal to 2 into under root B square plus C square. ठीक है? So this is the sum of QF1 and QF2. Let us consider this one as equation 3rd. Now just see 1, 2 and 3. First में क्या है? Left side में PF1 plus PF2. Right side is equal to QF1 plus QF2. So PF1 plus PF2 in second it is given as equal to 2a, and this is 2 into under root B square plus C square. Hence from 1, 2 and 3 we get क्या मिलेगा हमें? 2a equal to 2 into under root B square plus C square. 2 दोनों साइड से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो क्या मिलेगा? और a इक्वल टू अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर. नाउ व्हेन विल स्क्वायर दिस, स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड ऑफ दिस विल गेट, और बाय स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स we get a square equal to b square plus c square. So this is the relation between a, b and c. Hence here we will write the conclusion. Hence a relationship between a, b and c is a square equal to b square plus c square, और इसी से from this we can find b square equal to a square minus c square, और c square equal to a square minus b square. So this is the relationship between a, b and c. Accordingly जहां हमें जरूरत पड़ेगी a, b और c निकालने के लिए, so we'll use these formulae to find the value of a, b and c. ठीक है, तो नोट करो. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में अगले टॉपिक के साथ. ओके, बाय.